Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about prokaryotic cell, which we are already discussed in our 5 kingdom of system of classification under kingdom Monera. So let us discuss a little about prokaryotic cell. Pro means primitive or false. Karyon means karyotic means especially nucleus. Those organisms have primitive nucleus or comes under prokaryotes, especially the domain bacteria or comes under prokaryotic cell. So let us discuss about prokaryotic cell. Before going to the discussion, if you are not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and stay tuned with. So, prokaryotic cells are single-celled microorganisms known to be earliest in the earth. Prokaryotes include bacteria and archaea. The photosynthetic prokaryotes include cyanobacteria that perform photosynthesis as they are the blue-green algae, means chlorophyll pigments are present inside. The prokaryotic cell consists of a single membrane and therefore all the reactions occur within the cytoplasm. They can be free-living or parasite. For example, Escherichia coli is a parasitic prokaryotes or bacteria. Next is general characteristics of prokaryotes. Prokaryotes have different characteristic feature, that is, they lack nuclear membrane. Membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, chloroplast and lysosome etc. are absent. The genetic material is present in a single chromosome. Histone proteins, the important constituent of eukaryotic chromosomes, are lacking inside the genetic material. The cell wall is made up of carbohydrate and amino acids. The plasma membrane acts as a mitochondrial membrane carrying the respiratory enzyme as the mitochondria is contained. This is the mitochondria. This is the mitochondria. And this finger-like projection contain F0 F1 particle, which is just look like this, and it contains the respiratory enzyme. So in prokaryotic cell, as the cell organelles absent, so mitochondria is also absent, but plasma membrane act as mitochondria here in prokaryotic cell. Next is cell structure. A prokaryotic cell doesn't have a nuclear membrane. However, the genetic material is present in a region of cytoplasm known as a nucleoid. The region where the genetic material is present is known as a nucleoid. They may be spherical, rod shape or spiral these are different shape of prokaryotes or bacteria. If you need details on cell structure, please visit 5 kingdom system of classification, especially kingdom Monera, for detail about cell structure and cell shape and size. So, prokaryotic cell structure may be spherical, rod shape or spiral, as we see in our last slide. And a prokaryotic cell contains following parts. First one is capsule. It is an outer protecting covering found in bacterial cell in addition with cell wall, means capsule is the outer layer and also cell wall is attached with the capsule. Here is the capsular layer and this one is the cell wall. This layer is capsular wall. This layer is capsular wall. It helps in moisture retention, protect the cell when engulfed, and help in attachment of cells to nutrient and surfaces. Next part is cell wall. It is outermost layer. Here is the cell wall. It gives rise shape to the cell. Next is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is mainly composed of enzyme, salt, cells, organelles, and a jelly-like component. Here only extra chromosomal DNA, that is plasmid, and chromosome and ribosomes are present. All other membrane bound organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell. Next is cell membrane. This layer is surrounded the cytoplasm and regulate the entry and exit of substance inside the cell. Next member is pili. These are the hair-like outgrowths that attach to the surface of other bacterial cell, and large flagella. Here is the flagella, and if this one is a bacterial cell, flagella is large structure and pili is this small like structure, small hair-like structure. Small hair-like structure which is spread throughout the body. In our last slide, these are the pili. So pili are help in conjugation, and flagella, these are the flagella which help in locomotion of the bacteria. And here is the chromosome and extranuclear DNA called plasmid. Next is ribosome, which help in protein synthesis. Ribosome also called as protein factory. Plasmid is the non-chromosomal or extra chromosomal DNA. These are involved in reproduction. And the nucleoid region, we already discussed, the region of cytoplasm where genetic material is present. Last part is component of a prokaryotic cell. It have 4 main function. That is plasma membrane. It is the outer protecting covering of a phospholipid molecule. Separate the cell from surrounding environment. Next is cytoplasm, jelly-like substance present inside the cell. All the cell organelles like ribosome, chromosome, and plasmid are present inside the cytoplasm. DNA is the genetic material of the cell. All the prokaryotes possess a circular DNA. It directs with proteins of the cell creates. It also regulates the action of a cell. And last part is ribosome, which help in protein synthesis. We already discussed. And some prokaryotic cell possess cilia and flagella, which help them in locomotion. Cilia are present in paramecium, and here in flagella we are already saying. If you need a detail about the cell shape, size, and other prokaryotes, please visit Kingdom Monera, which are already placed in my channel. So please visit, and if you have any query, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.